K-I-L-L-E-E-N, ho. Holla by the ends, holla by the ends.
It's Queen Brown Bread with the music group in this bitch, you know what I'm talking about? Go get paid in stores right now, download it on iTunes, you know what I'm talking about? We're gonna set off this motherfucking Christmas party right now, you know what I'm talking about? The whole bread with the music group in this thing. Queen Brown, c.stone, Monty B, Deuce, motherfucking d.will get it done, Case in this bitch, you know what I'm talking about? Motherfucking c.stone in this bitch, the whole 12 in this hoe is going down, man. 12/25, Merry Christmas to everybody out there, you know what I'm talking about? Let's get it.
BWMG, film anybody. My nigga d.will on the cam. Merry Christmas to all you hoes.
He said he filmed spelling. He don't give a fuck.
You see it? Hey, all day like that.
Nah, I'm talking about that average coming from that heaven.
What it is, your boy c.stone in the motherfucking bed. Fucking with my niggas, breadwinner music, c.stone, Big Deuce. All of my niggas right here, man. c.tone in this motherfucker. You know what it is. Super Dave, I see you, man.
This boy camera ready.
d.will, what's happening, man? I know you behind this bitch, man. We get loud.
Monty B, you feel me? Murder Gang Music, we in here.
Woo! In this bitch, you know what I'm saying? We got the whole, everybody up in this bitch, you know what I'm talking about? It's going down. Christmas Day, fuck what the haters talking about.
I'm ready to get served with cold.
Oh, all of it.
I know, y'all niggas put it. Hey. Light, camera, action. Hey, how are you, baby?
I'm good. Back though, fucking with my little bro, c.stone.
Back though, Club Ray, c.tone, Christmas Day. You know, big homie invited me, so we gotta do it big. Big dog in the city.
This fucking cold out here.
Always showing love, so. Video shoot last night was live. Oh yeah, stupid, smoke that.
These niggas whack on the sneak. It's too much trapping, they beat. It ain't no trilling, they heart. They use they back for they feet. Half of these niggas I'm seeing ain't about that shit they be saying. Niggas who bust don't be talking, they just start shooting and spraying. Don't get caught up in that hype. You don't wanna live that life. Getting gunned down when the sun down, gotta watch your back all night. When you see them niggas, you
breadwinner. We on that breadwinner shit. I fuck with them and fuck with the homies, you know what I'm saying? My little bro Quinn Brown all day long. Check that new album coming out. I know he got something from it.
What up, son? Shit, man, we chillin', man. We can enjoy ourselves. You feel me? 25411. We in this motherfucker, man. Yeah. What's up?
Fucking with these breadwinners out here. What up with them, man? Getting it in, man. Out here, Killeen. What it do? Trying to go hard, man.
Son got the new record. We just
going
dropped.
hard with it, round and
I'll
round.
be here real soon.
That next one, Chris Brown coming around soon. We going hard, man. Turned it up. Trying to get money, man. Get $4 from the homies.
We got it.
What it is, man.
What's going down? Queen Brown Bread with the music group in this bitch, you know what I'm
This
talking about?
2K12 beat.
Turn up this hoe one time. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm on the
c.stone, Quinn Brown, Big Deuce, breadwinner music. Got about $5 grand in my pocket, headed straight to that platinum. I've been gone for a little minute, but now I'm back like nigga, what's happening? Y'all niggas ain't tipping, 1,000 ones ain't nothing. You said you spent 10 racks, but I was there, nigga, you bluffing. You ain't on that loud, that's Reggie Bush, you puffin'. You ain't really no pimp, you just here, nigga, you cuffin'. I'm c.stone, the breadwinner, don't act like you didn't know. You better run for cover, cause the breadwinners is poppin'.
I got about 5 chicks in my section, all 5 of them sexy. All dance like Tammy, skin tone, yellow gold, no Grammy. She slide down the pole and she slam it. Don't stop, pop that pussy, we jammin'. Bread with the music group in this bitch. Throwing money, haters can't stand it. 5 more chicks wanna sit and sip, I don't trip.
know what it is. If it's overdose himself, you feel me? All the music crew, we getting it in. Oh, yeah.
I'm talking about c.tone holding it down, you know what I'm saying? 210, it's
running this bitch. What's going on? Grabbing the shit, nigga.
Nigga, long branch, bitch, nigga, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, my partner DJ him Shorty get ready to play this Quentin Brown song, Get Down, you know what I'm saying? Throughout the duration of this song, we buying everybody drinks, you know what I'm saying?
What's up, Q-Beezy? What's up, Q-Beezy? What's up, Q-Beezy? If you slam, man, you ain't got no paper. What's up, baby? Don't get me wrong. Do it on the video.
See a lot of chicks standing around, looking like she ain't had fun in a while. Looking like we ain't in the club right now. I'ma need the DJ to turn this up loud. And I'ma tell her get down. Like 4 flats, you got ass, baby, work that back. I'ma tell her get down. If you ain't dancing, why you came? Standing looking like you trying to see you.
What's up, what's up? Like your 9 to 5, show high, no roster. You smoke, come show, let's get high. And I wanna see you. Never will I fail, Joe. You know how I get it, Joe. Every night is 12 life. Every shit doing up with this red light. Red wanna be shining bright. Check the wrist, sometimes it's shining. Hey, all the shit don't wanna know, man. Everybody love wanna chop it up, but it's cool, let me do what it do. When we chop out, she chop out, and come through and split it too. Yeah, they dancing like shit. Y'all out there liquor. Got a man, so she be like, we can't record us a picture. I never quit, just kidding, twisting while sitting. Them shots burn my chest. Even though we kidding. Got that ooh, we feeling. When I ask for the ceiling, he walking out there like chilling. But man, I can't stand it. Cause I see a lot of chicks standing around. Looking like she ain't had fun in a while. Looking like we ain't in the club right now. I'ma need a DJ to turn this up. I'ma tell her get like 4 flats, you got ass, baby, work that man. I'ma tell her get we ain't dancing while you came.
Killeen, we got that real and deep, that burning, that amazing, that conditional deception of love. That feeling forever, that always emotional, but still exceptional love. Can't nobody tell me nothing is what it is. Oh, and if I love you, I need you here with me all the time. Baby, we meant to be. You got me smiling all the time.
Thanks to niggas and my friends. Be this way till this shit ends. We don't need any calls. Making major moves like a boss. Ain't no telling when we are able. We're always come together at a table.
Don't tell me I'm with C. Nigga, that's just how it be. We a fuck with a nigga like me. All white, looking like Navy or Air Force. Fly in the bitch, boy, my crib is the airport. Take this money, nigga, make this drop. Nigga, I make rap, R&B, rock, pop. What I know I am, I know you not. You flat soda, nigga, I pour you out. I'm clean, nigga, like clear. And I'm so out of there like years. All I hear is I want one like yours. Clean to my dead shit, white furs. I'm so immaculate. Get up in the wall, so I'm tacking in. I spit fire, got dragon breath. Yeah, Killeen, nigga, do you got a baggy left? Little mama suck so good, dog. You would think that bitch had Maggie lips. Niggas wanna talk that shit, you'll get buffed up, boy. I don't need a bag of chips. Fuck, nigga, package your abstinence. Get up and down like a cabinet. Use him and throw him dirty rag in there. And you know what I'm saying right after that. After that, we got money, yeah.
Gotta do this for the family and friends that been down since way back when. We been a win and be everywhere like Earth. No matter me when they ask how you do that there. I took a team to
a city, took the city to the city, took the city to the state. Now I'm out here in the 8th grade when it's 12, living and I get it. 2 middle fingers to who said we ain't gon' get it. We gon' get it. Get it with my homies. Yeah, we just cool kids kicking. Religion got done twisted. Sipping with my partners, sipping on the bottom. Yeah, we jumping from the bottom, but we top dope living. Yeah, quarters, no change, just where we hanging. Chillax to get away from you, like shout out the chains. Shout out to that nigga, baby. But you gotta do what you gotta do for your baby. What up to everything over here? On the chill with the 12, texting bottles close to here. Bottles on that in the rear. We got drunk and we got clear. So far gone, I can't see clear. But you see me, check, block, clear. All same, all right. Look out my Miami Vice. City lit, all right. Look like a Miami night. Chill one time. My niggas over time. My niggas they working and put on. My niggas love it and put on. Just niggas people time. Everybody
I be mad as she don't like the way I'm acting. Might keep baby, yeah, I'm packing. Hit you run up, thanks, I'm strapping everything. Your man lacking, I what he trying to be. Oh, he ballin' shot calling. Sound like he lying to me. Look like he dying to see. Your man come up out them clothes. I'm in the same with you. So I ain't worried about them hoes on that skirt, but no one knows what we going and what we doing. The sessions when I was doing, but I'm cool and getting into it. We doing the things you never done. Hella fun. Man, let them come. I bring a couple of homies, G.O.D. My niggas will make them come. Make them run to the hills like they wasn't in it. Hey, let's not be in players. Something we know from 3 days. We be chillin' with Brian. Quentin Brown, what it do?
Not the game, Mitchell.
Gang spinner coming in, goddamn get up. Roll the switcher, got me gone to November green. We gon' start off shit, be cooler, just soft on scene.
What you mean?
What you mean? I'm from Killeen. Boys all out here like NBA teams. Remember when I used to have them NBA dreams? So I rapping, I look back in the late dreams. So now we need to get to this paper and stay away from them haters. You know how to be chasing. See that money I'm making, you see the money I'm making. So I got them all operating when I roll out like I'm skating. I keep it click, what you gon' do and do to make sure we straight. And when we hit, we clean the plate. And if it's cold, then we gon' straight. Word back, no cheat, dog. Money's gon' hate. Got too many treats today. Even though I know that on every face, I'm smooth and sleek. I pull on the freak, I pull on cheeks, I pull on me. I'm getting on stage when I get off stage. She said she wanna perform on me. I got too much cash to get her. Better than acetate. The best bet on my free time. I'm incredible. No time to cheat, I'm trying to make a meal. Serious about things out of field. I can't make it happen, just see it still. No time to stick, can't stop for you, can't stop for y'all at all. Hey, on that motherfucking rap, with a bitch chick sitting on my lap. Y'all niggas be talking about that trap. All that selling nigga run your money in. I'm on some. These niggas whack on this beat. It's too much trap in their beat. It ain't no chill in their heart. They use their deck for their feet. Half of these niggas I'm seeing ain't about that shit they be saying. Niggas who bust don't be talking, they just start shooting and spraying. Bust don't get caught up in that hype. You don't wanna live that life. Getting gun down when the sun down. Gotta watch your back all night. You see the niggas you flexing with, you gotta blast on fire. Cause they might not let you make it and you ready or you shaking better. Blow that shit out. You ain't telling all that pop. You players getting paper. Only come up in the sky. Move around with all that cheese on. It's diamonds when we talk. Follow ain't that much trail. That's everywhere that we walk. You ain't the plug, it's just a baby hustler. You don't trust her. You don't rush her. Horse pusher. You with the hands ain't got no push. We can touch the bones on the big country. Man, nigga, I'm not that.